Hello there FYP-academy friends, this Asus TUF gaming AIS nano honeycomb design, self-cleaning aura RGB. Now I want to check benchmark P1080 and watch. Starting is with 60 or 70 FPS, but in your case it might be for the beginning of starting furmark about 10 FPS, and this kind of laptop needs to some time to show its good FPS, and it might even take about 10 minutes or more. Config for this laptop is AMD Ryzen 7 4800H with Radeon graphics, also NVIDIA graphics, as it's a special GPU. So this is all about this kind of laptop. Thanks for watching. FN Plus, these arrow keys are special for Aura Crate and RGB. Thank you very much. Bye.